I love the collections cases where zero payment has been made because it's very difficult for the customer to justify what they're doing. And it's easy for me as a lawyer to show that they're coming into the case basically with unclean hands. In zero of the cases that I've seen in the last 30 years was the value of the contractor's work zero. But when they pay zero, they're trying to get something for free. The work is not a gift. Even if there are flaws in the restoration contract, even if there were workmanship issues, it doesn't mean the work was free. And it makes it a lot easier for me to advocate for a restoration contractor when there's been a zero payment. I like the zero payment cases.
Yeah, Ed, it's amazing. I think we're getting a lot of call from California contractors that are having issues with customers just not paying them at all. And you get a little concerned when the economy gets kind of shaky that customers are getting insurance money and they're maybe squirreling it away a little sooner than they would a year or two ago. So I think it's really important for contractors right now to be very, very proactive with their receivables, to scrub them really thoroughly and determine, is this a matter of just being able to take a little more time to collect it, or do I see this really becoming an issue? We're seeing a lot of people in California that are having issues that just aren't receiving any money from the client, not even their deductible. And the last time I checked, none of our clients are charitable institutions. So the people that they're doing work for should have some sort of expectation that the California contractor needs to get paid.
Amen.